Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to iWeed and thank you so much for clicking in, and the ones who are new here, welcome and consider subscribing. So first of all, I really want to apologize कि मैं इतनी late video डाल रही हूँ because main reason was I wasn't feeling like actually shooting any video. So कुछ ऐसा major reason नहीं है, but मेरा मन ही नहीं कर रहा था, so I couldn't shoot. But now finally I'm here. I'm shooting this video for you guys. So in this video I'm gonna talk about my skincare routine, जो कि आप लोगों ने मुझे already बोला था बनाने के लिए, but जो मैं पहले skincare routine follow करती थी वो थोड़ा different था, and अब थोड़ा मैंने इसको change किया है because I used to wash my face. पहले मैं use करती थी orange peel powder, but आजकल oranges थे नहीं market में, so I couldn't make that. But I thought of shifting towards lemon peel powder and I am loving it. So I thought of sharing this with you guys. So I thought of buying it first. So I went on this Trell app and I saw there this Nature TATTVA's lemon peel powder, and I got it from there, and it's very easy to buy any product from there and you will get discounts also. So if you want to buy any products from there, you can go in the description box. मैं आपको link उसमें डाल दूँगी. And what you all have to do is कि आप इस Trell app पे जाके you just have to search जो भी आपको product चाहिए and put it in your cart, and वहाँ पे आपको discounts भी मिल जाएंगे आराम से. And जो इसकी delivery है वो भी बहुत fast है. You can get it within 3-4 days. And yeah, that's it. So basically the products I'm using in this video are 3 products and 2 of them are already DIY products. तो इसमें कुछ chemicals नहीं है, कुछ ऐसे extra चीज़ें नहीं है, just very pure. As you all know that जो lemon powder होता है, basically lemon peel powder होता है, it is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. So जब भी आप उसको अपने face पे लगाओगे, it will clear all your acne scars हैं, अगर आपको acne है ये सब कुछ clear करता है. And my skin is personally it's acne prone, so it really helps. And second product is NEEM powder, which you all know that NEEM antibacterial होता है, and जो NEEM face packs होते हैं जो market में भी आपको products मिलते हैं, most of them contain NEEM and NEEM बहुत ही अच्छा होता है आपकी skin के लिए. So starting off with the first step, मैं कुछ ज़्यादा बहुत इसमें नहीं करने वाली हूँ अपने स्किन केयर में. It's just about 3 simple steps. First is just washing your face. Second is applying face pack, and third is applying moisturizer. That's it. So first is washing your face. So face wash करने के लिए what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 1 spoon of lemon peel powder, which is Nature TATTVA's lemon peel powder, and इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा पानी ऐड करूँगी and मैं इसमें ऐड करूँगी बेसन. That's it, nothing else. If you want to add more बेसन तो आप डाल सकते हो, but मेरी acne prone skin है, so I want more of vitamin C, so इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा lemon peel powder डाल रही हूँ. And that's it. You just have to make a paste, जैसे कि मैं इस वीडियो में दिखा रही हूँ. And paste बनाने के बाद you just have to wash your face with it, and yeah, that's it. Second step is making face pack. So for the face pack, I'm again gonna use this Nature TATTVA's NEEM powder. So what you all have to do is आप 1 spoon इसका NEEM powder का लेंगे, and in that you can add आप बेसन भी ऐड कर सकते हो and और चीज़ें भी ऐड कर सकते हो, but I'm keeping it very simple. So I'm just adding इसमें NEEM powder के साथ I'm just adding curd थोड़ा सा, and this is the consistency you want. आपको बस ऐसा paste चाहिए, and paste बनाने के बाद just keep it for like 15 minutes and you can just wash your face. So the last step is applying moisturizer, and for the moisturizer I'm using this PLUM Night Gel, which I love because you know जो इसकी consistency है it's very watery, and ये वो creamish जो consistency होती है वैसी नहीं है. इस बहुत like it's आपको ऐसा लगेगा जैसे आप literally पानी सा लगा रहे हो अपने face पे, and it is very very hydrating, so I really love it. And yeah, okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share the video and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload the video.